Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, August 7th, 2021. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel chart here. We'll look at the overall roadmap going for next week. What I've done, I've changed this to a 60-minute chart to just step back a little bit and see what this looks like for the next 5 days, Monday through Friday. You see, this is where Friday's close jumps in and merges with the Sunday open. We don't show that gap on the chart. That's why we have this heavy blue line here, and then the blue and green line are broken and don't match up. We're picking this back up Sunday evening at 1800, and we left off Friday at 1615. So the blue vertical line starts from Sunday evening at 1800. So there we are on the the 8th and then the 9th and 10th. So what we're doing, we've got downward pressure on the green line, and that pressure goes until about somewhere between 12:30 and 2 a.m. And then the green line does start to bump up. I drew the red trend line all the way down to follow the blue line where that bottoms out. We're going to get an important possible turning point around 8 in the morning, between 8 and 9. You can look at this on the smaller chart to dial it in with this in a tighter view or with the other indicators. Then from there we've got upward pressure late on the 9th till about both lines come together about 22:07 in the evening. Then we're pressing down into the 10th, into the evening of around 1918, where the green line bottoms, but the blue line is going the other way. So we've got some conflict there. It could go, could follow either line. But we've got a peak at 14:12 in the afternoon, and then another one coincides with the bottom of the green line, so it's possible this could invert. Then we have upward pressure going into the 12th till about 6:45 a.m. when both of the lines converge between 6 and 9 in the morning. The green line is kind of flat. We're going to give that a little bit of a chop indication. We're down into 208 on the 12th, then we're back up into the 13th at about 1:40 a.m. and then we're down to close the week out. Some big spikes on the blue line are going to indicate some good potential turning points, like this one here, 1534 on the 9th. You would want to watch 439 on the 10th. You want to look at the spikes where you're getting out near the 20 lines. The ones inside the 10 lines may work, but they're not as useful as the ones that go outside. 7:09 a.m. on the 11th. It's a nice spike. We've got a little penetration of the -10 line here at 13:55 and 15:15 on the 11th. Again, we already spoke about this high here, and then we've got this spike low on the 13th, 734. So that's it. Just kind of give you a little bit of a roadmap for the week and some of the key projected turning points. So this kind of gives you the big picture. We get these times and then we zoom in. We take a look a little closer. We go back to the 10-minute chart on the Astro Excel, and we also look at the Vedic chart to see if we have any timing windows, and then we look at our other indicators, the rainbow and the pH, to see what else is taking place in these time zones, and that's going to give us some good turns this week. So that's it for today. We'll be back with another video again tomorrow. We'll see you then.